Okay, here we are. So if you have the Deckable app there and you go to the website, there are free decks that you can purchase for free and download. Some might not be all that interesting, and others might be. I think they may change them out, so it's good to go and check on that. So what you see here are a lot of the free decks because I grabbed them because they were free. So anyways, we're going to use this renew deck here, and it is Friday, so we're going to do the body balance. And we will move through this. And I'm going to shuffle. And play. Okay, I did not do this right. Okay. I always forget to do this. I have to click on it. Okay, get the check mark. And now we can do it. Well, because I was like, why isn't it not shuffling automatically? And for time's sake, I am just going to do a quick draw for each of these areas. So flow, growth, joy, nurturing, and value. And we'll see. We're going to start with the first one, flow, and go to the back. So in this flow area, where we want to create flow in our life, it has pulled this card from the passion section. And we are going to put our hands over our heart as we speak these statements. So I love and explore all possibilities. I am receptive. And take a deep breath and release. I forgive myself for being afraid of being humiliated. And take a deep breath and release. I give myself permission to feel safe, calm, and competent. And breathe and release. I am free to act from my heart with confidence. And breathe. And now we'll watch the video. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Adjust and adapt in your passionate exploration of life itself. And when you do, you will find that nothing can get in the way of feeling the marvelous love life has to offer. Okay, and now for the next section on growth, we will go to the value card. So for us to grow, we need to recognize our value. So we're going to place our hands over our belly and smile as we do these statements. I love and see beauty in myself. I am respectful. And breathe. I forgive myself for being afraid of relationships that are not perfect. And breathe. I am safe with love and relationships when I am true to myself. And breathe. I am free to be myself and allow others to be themselves. And breathe. And now for the video. Take a deep breath in and slowly release. We all have strengths and weaknesses. Be strict with yourself, improving yourself and doing the work needed for growth. However, be forgiving and tolerant with others, as they are also working to become better in their own way. There is always more refining that can be done. And now the joy card. We are going to place our hands over the lower right rib and smile and say these statements. I love and forgive myself. I am determined. And breathe. I forgive myself for rushing about and missing precious moments of life. And breathe. I love and accept myself right now. And breathe. I am free to stop, breathe, and take in this moment. And breathe. And now the video and the word. Take a deep breath and slowly release. There will always be something more that can be done. Take a break to breathe and enjoy the moment. A smile can make all the difference. And now the nurturance card, which is the nurturance card. And this, we're going to place our hands over the lower left rib and smile as we say these statements. I love and nurture myself. I am attentive. And breathe. I forgive myself for believing that I don't have enough to fully live. And breathe. I give myself permission to integrate and experience my true essence as powerful and limitless. And breathe. I am free to fill my life with abundant and fulfilling experiences. And breathe. Now the video. Take a deep breath in and slowly release. This experience right now, what you call life, was meant to be lived. Lived fully, taking in every opportunity to learn new things, connect with new people, and contribute to the whole of humanity. This is your time. Be proud of yourself and live with no regrets. And now the last card, the value card, which is also knowing your value is also nurturing yourself. So we'll keep our hands on the same lower left rib and say again, I love and nurture myself. I am attentive. I forgive myself for withholding loving care from myself in order to maintain my insufficiency. And breathe. I give myself permission to cultivate strength from within. And breathe. I am free to speak to myself with kindness and compassion at all times. And breathe. And now the video. Take a deep breath in and slowly release. Words are powerful. Words create the world of tomorrow. The way you speak to yourself affects every aspect of your life. When you speak to yourself with kindness and compassion, others will see that reflected in your eyes, and you will become a powerful force for good. All right. So then I can journal on this, but I'm going to go out. I'll journal on it later, but I'm going to save it to my timeline to know what we did today and what I need to journal on, because I can always go back to that. And I can also go back to other journal entries on other days and see what I wrote and how I've improved. Soon, the printed copy of this deck will be available, but the value that's here with Renew is so much superior, not with Renew, with Deckable is so much superior than a printed deck. It has so many other features, and it can keep the value at a price point that's a little bit more affordable, but I will be having the printed deck available shortly. So look for that. But I'm so glad that you came today, and I am going to stop the sharing and we can take questions.